Grace and I'm a community project worker with the Healy Trust. Today we are doing an event, as you can see behind me, which is Shakespeare's Garden, exploring the different flowers mentioned in various Shakespeare's plays. And we're having some assistance from the HandleBards, who are also giving people a bit of background on the plays and where the words come from, what the flowers mean.
Books in the running brooks, sermons in stone.
And then we're doing a few arts activities related to these, some sensory activities, so smelling and feeling the flowers, but also exploring them and making our own work using them.
And I could see it. And I was
Like that, yeah. And in about 15 seconds.
true to form, has been.
Wow, that's so cool.
We're hoping we can do this again at some point.